Camping and overlanding gear has evolved rapidly, and tent stoves are now indispensable for outdoor lovers who want reliable warmth, cooking ability, and comfort on extended trips. Even typists and gamers who enjoy remote work or play in scenic campsites are demanding quality stove solutions that balance portability with performance. Product number 1. Hot Tent Stove. The hot tent stove sets a high bar for outdoor heating and cooking gear with its robust construction and versatile performance. Designed specifically for use with hot tents, this stove uses high-grade steel that resists warping under intense heat, so you get reliable warmth even in sub-zero conditions. Whether you're prepping breakfast, boiling water, or warming up after a long day, the large firebox and efficient airflow ensure consistent heat distribution throughout your tent. One of its standout features is the thoughtfully engineered flue system, which maximizes draft and reduces smoke backflow, an essential safety and comfort factor when used in enclosed spaces. The stove's surface area doubles as a cooking platform, allowing you to simmer stews or fry meals directly on top. Because it's built for real-world use, the hot tent stove incorporates adjustable legs and easy-access ash pans for quick cleaning and setup. Portability is surprisingly good considering its sturdy build. While heavier than compact backpacking stoves, it breaks down into manageable components that pack into a durable carry bag. For campers who value a permanent feeling heat source without sacrificing quality or safety, the hot tent stove delivers excellent performance and long-term durability that will pay dividends over many seasons. Product number 2. Wood-burning stove. The wood-burning stove offers traditional campfire warmth in a compact, efficient package. Crafted from heavy-gauge steel, this stove is designed to withstand prolonged outdoor use while evenly radiating heat. It features a spacious fire chamber that accommodates larger logs, reducing the frequency of refueling and making it ideal for cold nights or extended cooking sessions. A full glass viewing window is a welcome touch, letting you enjoy the mesmerizing dance of flames while monitoring the fire without opening the door. This enhances both convenience and safety by minimizing heat loss and sparks. The stove's adjustable air intake helps regulate combustion, giving you precise control over the burn rate, whether you're seeking a roaring fire or a slow, steady heat. Cooking versatility is another strength. A flat, heat-resistant top provides a reliable cooking surface for pots, pans, and kettles. Combined with a sturdy chimney that vents smoke effectively, the wood-burning stove is suitable for hot tents, cabins, or base camp setups. Product number 3. Hot Tent Stove, second model. The second hot tent stove model brings refined engineering to an already excellent category of tent heating solutions. This iteration focuses on greater efficiency and user-friendly features that set it apart from more basic designs. Like its counterpart, it's constructed from thick, heat-treated steel, ensuring long life and impressive thermal performance. What makes this version noteworthy is its enhanced airflow mechanics. Precision-engineered intake vents and a secondary combustion chamber boost fuel efficiency, allowing you to extract more heat from the same amount of wood. This translates to longer burn times and fewer interruptions during cold nights. The deep firebox also accommodates chunkier wood pieces, meaning less frequent tending and a more relaxed camping experience. Safety and convenience are priorities too. A locking stove door with heat-resistant handles prevents accidental opening, and the removable ash pan makes cleanup quick, even while still warm. The flue system assembles easily and seals securely, reducing smoke spillage and improving overall draft. Product number 4. Upgraded portable wood stove for camping. The upgraded portable wood stove for camping is designed for adventurers who demand practical functionality and a compact footprint. Unlike bulkier tent stove options, this unit emphasizes portability without compromising much on heating power. Its lightweight yet durable stainless steel body resists corrosion and reduces overall weight, ideal for backpackers, overlanders, and minimalist campers. Assembly is straightforward. Interlocking panels snap together securely, and the foldable legs provide a stable base on uneven ground. While compact, the fire chamber is surprisingly roomy, supporting a steady heat output and sufficient cooking surface. A cleverly designed vent system enhances airflow, ensuring efficient wood combustion and minimal smoke, an essential feature when cooking or spending extended time in close quarters. The stove's top surface doubles as a cooking area, easily accommodating small pots and pans. Whether you're boiling water for coffee or simmering a one-pot meal, this unit handles it with reliability. Cleanup is simplified by a removable ashtray that slides out without disturbing the fire chamber. Product number 5. Black Wood-Burning Tent Stove. The black wood-burning tent stove blends rugged performance with aesthetic appeal, making it a great choice for campers who want both function and style. Its matte black powder-coated finish not only looks great, but also adds a layer of corrosion resistance, extending the stove's lifespan even in damp environments. Constructed with thick-gauge steel, this stove delivers robust heat output and retains warmth efficiently. Its substantial firebox accommodates larger wood pieces, providing extended burn times and consistent heat, perfect for chilly evenings or base camp gatherings. The spacious cooktop allows simultaneous cooking and heating, making meal prep more efficient when camping with family or groups. One of the standout features is the integrated spark arrestor and adjustable airflow control, which enhance safety and combustion efficiency. The chimney segments fit together tightly and vent smoke effectively, helping to maintain clean burn conditions inside your tent or shelter. Portability is thoughtfully addressed with a folding design and detachable parts that pack into a reinforced carry bag. While heavier than ultralight backpacking stoves, it offers a great balance between performance and transportability.